Okay, I filled the basket with 14 grams of freshly ground coffee. It's going for almost 3 minutes. The temperature at the top there is at 54 degrees Celsius. I add 205 grams of heated water. Usually I like the water at around 80 degrees Celsius. Today I measured it, it was at 71 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Celsius. Probably should make a huge difference. So let's see when this starts brewing. 3:30, we're gonna get 60. I can start, you can hear it starting a little bit. We're at 61, almost 62 degrees Celsius, coming up on 3 minutes and 50 seconds. I've got the dishwasher running, so maybe you can't hear the pot, but it's making a little bit of noise. We're approaching 65 degrees at 4 minutes. So this is a little bit longer of a brew. Could be bad, could be good. Okay, making some noise. Heat-wise here, it's kind of low, medium, a little bit more on the lower side, towards lower side, but almost halfway between the low and medium. Okay, we're at 4.5 minutes at 68 degrees Celsius, approaching 70. Oh, there it is, 74. This is going to be a bad brew. 75. 75 comes out. Oh, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. That looks to be okay. The flow is not bad. A little stop and go. Stop and go. That's not what we want. We want a nice consistent flow. So there must be some sort of channel. It's not bad. It is slow. Oh, when that starts, I start this thing on here. And I'm curious what my yield's gonna be. So as that gets a lighter and lighter color, I'm gonna take it off. That helps with bitterness. Now I could run it off cold water just to stop it, but I'm gonna pour it out instantly. And let's see what my yield is. So I started with 205 grams of water. And that's actually a pretty good yield at 103. That's probably still going, but I won't use that bit. 103.5 grams. So it's a good yield. And we got a little bit more, which I won't use. It's mostly water. Now I do like this Nespresso milk frother. It takes, I don't know, a minute and 45 seconds or so to froth the milk. I use 2% milk. It's because that's what we drink, the kids drink. I prefer whole milk in my sort of makeshift Cappuccino Americano. I do add a little bit of water because, I mean, that's 103 grams of coffee there. All right, so this thing is stopped. I take the lid off. I kind of spin it a little bit. And I pour fast. It does a great job, and usually at the end there's the more of the foam. I usually scoop the rest of that out, but I'll just leave it for now. So that brings it up to what, 228 grams. And this is all just by feel. Just add a little bit of water just to cut down the strength, because that's a pretty good yield. And we are. Give it a little stir, and I've got a wonderful coffee. Oh, you want to see what the final weight is? Final weight comes to 332 grams. There you go. Clean everything instantly, especially this thing. I rinse that thing out every time, and I just kind of rinse that off the top and set it off to the back and give it a good clean every time.